Hello coders, today we are going to solve the 11th problem of famous LeetCode SQL 50 playlist. Today's problem is employee bonus. Here we have given two tables, employee and bonus. Let's understand the table schema. The employee table has four columns, employee ID, name, supervisor and salary. Here employee ID is the primary key. And we have the bonus table which has two columns, employee ID and bonus. Here employee ID is the foreign key, that is it is used to reference the employee table, and the bonus of each employee, which is an integer. Now what's the question? Write a solution to report the name and bonus amount. They have asked for two columns, name column and the bonus amount column of each employee with the bonus less than 1000 rupees. Okay, we have to return the name and the bonus amount of each employee from the employee table, where the only constraint is their bonus amount should be less than 1000 rupees. Okay, if they are getting greater than 1000 rupees as their bonus, we should not print their name in the output. So let's see an example here. Here we have an employee table with four employees, Brad, John, Dan and Thomas, and their salaries. In the bonus table, we can see that employee ID 2 and 4, which is Dan and Thomas, are getting bonuses of amount 502,000 rupees. So clearly that Thomas is getting bonus amount which is greater than 1000. So we can't print Thomas name in the output. But we can print Dan because he is getting the bonus amount which is less than 1000 rupees. So in the output we have to print Brad, John and Dan, where the Brad and John bonus amounts will be null. So I think the question is pretty clear now. Let's jump into the coding part. Okay, first select comment, select what we have to select: the name and the bonus. The name is from the employee table, so e dot name, and the bonus is from the bonus table. Am I correct? Yes. From here we are going to use left join. Why? Because we need all the names, all the rows of the employee table. So we are using the left join and putting the employee table on the left side. In employee table, so the table which is on the left side will give it's all the records. So that's the thing. Left join to the bonus table, bonus B on. What is the common table between them? We can clearly see that the employee ID table is common on both the tables. So E dot employee ID equal to B dot employee ID. We have a condition, that is where the B dot bonus is less than 1000. Let's try to run the code. Here you can see that only Dan name is printing, because we will only print the people who are having bonus. So it's left out the names of Brad and John. You have to also include those people name also. So for that you should write or B dot bonus is null. So this ensures that they should have either bonus less than 1000 rupees or they might not have any bonus. So that's pretty good. Let's try to run. Yeah, now the code is working properly. You can see that. Okay, let's try to submit it. The code is accepted. Thank you for watching.